So on the 7th of December I was at Carluke because I wanted to see Virgin Trains because it was their last day of operating. My first catch today was 2B95, the 1203 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Lanark with 320-912. Then the train after that was 1M12, the 1159 Virgin Train service London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390-157. Then this is 2B72, the 1203 ScotRail service Lanark from Glasgow Central with 385-008. Then this was 479V, the 1206 direct rail service served to Daventry DRS Tesco from Grangemouth Docks FEA, with 66423 pulling the service. Then this was 1S40, the 1221 Trans-Pennine Express service to Glasgow Central from Preston. This was delayed due to an issue with the crew, and I believe it to be 350-001. Then this is 1C56, the 1215 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Ayr with 380-108. This was 9M55, the 1220 Virgin Train service to London Euston from Glasgow Central, and I didn't get the number of these. Then this was 2B73, the 1233 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Lanark with 385, and I believe it to be 385030 in the lead and 385108 in the rear. Then with the weather taking a turn for the worse, here came 2B74, the 1232 ScotRail service to Lanark from Glasgow Central 385-121. Then this was 1S45, the delayed 1237 turned up at 1241 Virgin Train service to Glasgow Central from London Euston with 390-153. Then this was 45-2V, the 1236 DB Cargo service to Daventry INT RFT Recap RFD from Grangemouth TDG EWS with 66221. Then this was 103R, the 1252 Royal Mail service to Warrington Royal Mail DBS from Shieldmuir Mail Terminal. And all I know is the rear one because I remember it, and it's 325028. Then coming screaming past was 1M13, the 1259 for train service London Euston from Glasgow Central. And I didn't get the number of this. Then my final catch of the day, because the weather was getting awful at this point, was 2B76, the 1303 ScotRail service to Lanark from Glasgow Central with 320 411.